amount by adding various notes and coins. Chi, what pastry do you want to buy?
I want to have this pastry.
Brother, what is the cost of this pastry? This pastry is of 45 rupees, okay? Chi, for 45 rupees, give 4 notes of 10 and 1 note of 5.
Yes, I will give. Hey, I only have 3 notes of 10.
Okay, so give 3 notes of 10 and 2 notes of 5.
Here you go.
Look, Chi, adding 2 notes of 10 makes 20. Adding 10 to 20 makes 30. And 10 rupees by adding 2 notes of 5.
Yes, 40 rupees on adding 30 and 10. But this pastry is worth 45 rupees.
Yes, Chi, we have to add 5 rupees to this 40 rupees.
But I had only 2 notes of 5 rupees.
Chi, you have coins, right?
Hey, yes, take a coin of 5.
Yes, so now 40 and 5 makes 45 rupees. Take this, brother, 45 rupees. Here is your pastry. Thank you. So, children, you saw how we made 45 rupees in 2 different ways. You can also think of other ways. So, let's see what Chi is doing next.
Choo choo, I have to buy a purse for mummy too.
Yes, so let's go to the purse shop. Chi, which purse did you choose for your mother?
Choo choo, I like this purse for her.
Excuse me, how much does this purse cost? The price of this purse is 50 rupees.
Choo choo, how many notes and coins do I have to give?
You have to give a 50 rupee note.
Hey, but I did not bring 50 rupee note.
Don't worry. Do you have 2 notes of 20 and 1 note of rupees 10?
I have 2 notes of 20, but no 10 rupees note.
Never mind. Give 2 coins of 5.
I have only 1 coin of 5.
So look, 40 rupees made by adding 2 notes of 20 and adding a coin of 5 makes 45 rupees. And to make 5 rupees, you have coins of 1.
Yes, I have lots of 1 rupee coins.
Okay, so give me 5 coins of 1 rupee. There are 5 coins of 1 rupee and it will make 5 rupees.
Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are 5 coins of 1 rupee.
Chi, look, adding 5 rupees to 45 makes 50 rupees.
Oh wow! Please take this 50 rupees for the purse.
Thank you. Chi, let's go home now.
Yes, let's go.
So kids, you saw that you can pay 50 rupees by adding a note of 50 or 2 notes of 20, a coin of 5 and 5 coins of 1 rupee. You can also make 50 rupees from different notes and coins. Today Chi bought a purse and a pastry for her mother. So today we learned to make amount by adding various notes and coins.